What if I told you that by simplifying your life, you could save thousands of dollars every year without sacrificing happiness? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in this video, I'm sharing 32 minimalist hacks that will not only help you cut unnecessary expenses, but also transform your finances for good. Stay tuned because hack number 10 alone could save you hundreds in a single month, and that's just the beginning. Let's dive in. Number 1. Stop buying duplicates. How often do you find yourself buying something you already own but forgot about? Take inventory of what you have and organize it so you can easily find items when needed. This simple habit can save you hundreds of dollars and declutter your home. Number 2. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Streaming platforms, fitness apps, and random memberships can quietly drain your wallet. Review your bank statements to spot recurring charges and eliminate anything you haven't used in the past month. Most of these services are easy to reinstate if you miss them later. Number 3. Use the 30-day rule. Impulse purchases often lead to regret and unnecessary spending. Commit to waiting 30 days before buying anything that isn't essential, giving yourself time to evaluate whether it's truly worth it. You'll be surprised how often you lose interest in what seemed so urgent. Number 4. Cook at home. Dining out is tempting but can be a budget killer. By learning a handful of easy, delicious recipes, you'll cut costs significantly and eat healthier. Plan your meals for the week and stick to your grocery list to avoid overspending. Number 5. Declutter your closet. Most people only wear 20% of their wardrobe regularly. Sell or donate items you don't use and create a streamlined collection of versatile pieces. You'll not only make extra cash but also save time deciding what to wear every day. Number 6. Stop upgrading your phone. Do you really need the latest model every year? Modern smartphones are designed to last for several years, so keep using yours until it's genuinely outdated. Skipping upgrades can save you hundreds or even thousands over time. Number 7. Switch to a no-fee bank account. Why pay fees for something you can get for free? Research banks that offer free checking accounts and no hidden charges. Over the years, these small savings add up to a significant amount. Number 8. Go digital. Buying physical books, DVDs, or magazines might feel satisfying, but they take up space and cost money. Borrow them digitally from your library or opt for subscription services that give you unlimited access for a small monthly fee. You'll save money and reduce clutter. Number 9. Buy quality, not quantity. Cheap items might save money up front, but they often break or wear out quickly. Invest in high-quality products that last longer and perform better. In the long run, this approach will save you money and frustration. Number 10. Limit impulse purchases by avoiding online shopping late at night. Shopping at odd hours often leads to unnecessary spending, especially when you're tired. Instead, make a list of what you need and shop during the day with a clear mind. This one habit can save you hundreds of dollars a year. Speaking of impulse purchases, hack number 15 is a game changer if you've ever felt guilty about splurging on something you didn't need. Number 11. Opt for reusable alternatives. Single-use items like paper towels, plastic bottles, and disposable razors add up quickly. Switching to reusable options might have a higher upfront cost, but it saves money in the long run. Plus, it's better for the environment, a win-win. Number 12. Use cashback apps. Every time you shop, you're leaving money on the table if you're not using cashback apps. These tools let you earn a percentage back on purchases, which adds up fast. Treat it as a reward for buying things you already needed. Number 13. Embrace a capsule wardrobe. Owning a small collection of versatile clothing pieces saves time and money. A few carefully chosen items can replace an overflowing closet. You'll always look put together while cutting back on wasteful spending. Number 14. Shop secondhand. Thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces are treasure troves of affordable finds. From furniture to clothing, you can save 50% or more compared to buying new. Plus, shopping secondhand supports sustainability. Number 15. Create a fun budget. Depriving yourself entirely of fun can lead to burnout and binge spending later. Allocate a small amount each month for guilt-free enjoyment. Whether it's dining out or treating yourself, this balance helps you stick to your financial goals. Number 16. Borrow or rent instead of buying. For items you use rarely, like tools, party supplies, or even formal attire, borrowing or renting is a smarter choice. Look to friends, family, or rental services to meet your needs. This saves money and reduces clutter. Number 17. Turn off auto-renewals. Many services rely on you forgetting about your subscription. Turn off auto-renewals and reevaluate each service before renewing. If you truly need it, you can resubscribe, but often you'll realize you don't. Number 18. Repair instead of replacing. A little DIY repair knowledge can save you a fortune. From fixing a loose button to repairing small appliances, many tasks don't require a professional. YouTube tutorials can teach you almost anything for free. Number 19. DIY gifts. Handmade gifts are often more meaningful than store-bought ones. Consider baking, crafting, or creating personalized cards for special occasions. You'll save money while showing thoughtfulness. Number 20. Track every expense. If you don't know where your money is going, it's impossible to save effectively. Use a simple app or notebook to track every dollar you spend. This awareness often leads to immediate spending adjustments. Think you've mastered budgeting? Wait until you hear hack number 23. It's something most people never think of, yet it could save you thousands over time. Number 21. Unplug devices when not in use. Even when turned off, many devices continue to draw power, adding to your energy bill. Unplugging items like chargers, toasters, and TVs when not in use can lower costs. This simple habit could save you hundreds annually. Number 22. Use public transportation or carpool. Owning and maintaining a car is expensive. If possible, use public transit, ride a bike, or carpool with coworkers to cut costs. You'll also reduce wear and tear on your vehicle, extending its lifespan. Number 23. Learn to negotiate. Negotiating isn't just for big-ticket items. Call your service providers to negotiate better rates on cable, insurance, or even medical bills. A single phone call could save you hundreds of dollars. Number 24. Stick to grocery lists. Grocery shopping without a list often leads to overspending on unnecessary items. Plan your meals and write down exactly what you need before heading to the store. You'll save money and reduce food waste. Number 25. Meal prep. Batch cooking meals for the week saves time, money, and the temptation of takeout. Use leftovers creatively to maximize ingredients. This strategy makes eating at home more manageable and affordable. Number 26. Skip brand names. Generic brands often have the same quality as their more expensive counterparts. Compare ingredients or materials to ensure you're not paying extra for a label. This switch can add up to significant savings over time. Number 27. Automate savings. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account every time you get paid. By treating savings as a non-negotiable expense, you'll build wealth without even thinking about it. Over time, small deposits turn into big results. Number 28. Share subscriptions. Split the cost of streaming platforms or other services with family or friends. Most platforms allow multiple users under one account. This simple hack can cut your subscription costs in half or more. Number 29. Avoid trendy gadgets. Trends come and go, but timeless functional items will serve you for years. Before buying, ask yourself if you'll still be using the item in 5 years. Chances are you can skip it. Number 30. Review your insurance policies. Many people overpay for insurance they don't need or could get cheaper elsewhere. Shop around and compare quotes every year to ensure you're getting the best deal. Even small savings add up over time. Number 31. Live in a smaller space. Downsizing your home can drastically cut costs on rent, utilities, and maintenance. Consider what space you actually need to live comfortably. A smaller home means less cleaning too. And finally, number 32, practice gratitude. Appreciating what you have reduces the desire to constantly acquire more. Take time each day to reflect on what you're thankful for. This mindset shift not only saves money but also enhances your overall happiness. Which of these hacks surprised you the most? Do you have any minimalist tips that have helped you save money? Share them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more wealth-building tips. I'll see you in the next one.